Just enjoying myself over here, just getting a little warmed up before I go play tennis. Hey guys, welcome back to What's Going On Kev. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna just go to the park and play some tennis and just go by the shore. So stick with me for this adventure. Alright? Alright. Catch you on the next scene. A while ago, the guy in front of me, I guess he was distracted and he decided not to pay attention. He decided not to pay attention to the lights, and that light changed like in 2 seconds. You know. So here we are waiting for the light again.
Results has made Wesley a trusted resource for over 40,000 families we've helped get out of their timeshare. Give us a call and I'll send you our timeshare exit information kit free with the
What a beautiful day, man.
Your timeshare and all of your
Very beautiful day.
Call for your free info kit. 800-329-2121. 800-329-2121. 800-329-2121.
This is the only radio I could play, guys, so that I could you know, go on YouTube, because they can't strike, they won't be able to strike the news. But if you play some music, then you get a strike on YouTube. Let's see what's going on today.
Former President Donald Trump getting ready to return to Butler, Pennsylvania, holding a rally at the same site where he was the target of an assassination attempt back in July. I'll be joined by VP nominee J.D. Vance.
Oh man, Trump is going back to the scene of the crime.
Imagine security is tight.
The U.S. Secret Service has expanded the security perimeter and will have personnel stationed inside and outside of that zone, including all
Yeah, I swear to God, man, that guy is really brave, because to go through 2 attempts on his life and still be trying to go out there facing crowds, I don't know where you get that type of courage from, man. That's not normal.
Yesterday, she was in Michigan, a must-win state for Harris to capture the White House.
32 days, and we know we will do it.
So I like playing the radio when I vlog, because you kind of capture history. Like when we watch this years from now, it creates like a little capsule, time capsule of what was happening today.
Wednesday, 11:31. Traffic and transit here is Sue Aller.
Bumper delays in Brooklyn. You got a crash on the
See some new businesses opening up in this area.
Stillwell Avenue, westbound rubbernecking delays. It is stop and go. Also pretty slow in Staten Island.
We got an island grill, a new island grill coming soon. A Jamaican food spot.
Only one lane is getting by. And here's what you need to know about the bridges and tunnels. The inbound doors was wonderful. The outbound not so great. We are slam packed from the Crossbond Expressway approach. Best approach is from the west side. Inbound Holland Tunnel. That's about a 15-minute delay. The outbound side of the Holland also 15. Inbound Lincoln looks wonderful, but the outbound side not so great. You've got about a 15 to 20-minute delay right now. We are seeing some stop and go delays over here. Now in Manhattan.
All right, guys, catch you on the next scene. Okay, guys, so I'm here. I'm about to get out my car. Yeah, guys, it's a little bit chilly, not that chilly, so I had to put on my sweater. But yeah, we're gonna walk through the park. Let me show you what it looks like. It's gonna be a nice little walk. All right, it's nice. Behind there is water. Water's behind there. I think they're having a tournament here today, pickleball tournament. I'm not so sure. Just enjoying myself over here, just getting a little warmed up before I go play tennis. I'm gonna just walk through this park. So you got a hockey rink right here. Maybe the guys in green are park rangers. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna go through here. It's a nice little track, you know. Comes out on another side. It's a beautiful walk. Yo, check out this bees right here. You see how big it is? It's crazy. A nice day. A beautiful day. It's a vegetation. I think this is what, bird seed? This right here? Or is it cherries? I don't think I want to try it. I don't want to try it, guys. Let me tell you. Did I tell you guys that fall is my favorite season? My favorite season is fall. It's a strong competition between fall and spring. They're kind of like on the polar ends, spring and fall, but they're very beautiful. Spring represents life in its birthing state, right? Everything is growing, the initial growth. And then fall is when things are dying, it's falling. But there's beauty in both. There's beauty in both for those who could see it. They both share the same temperatures as far as spring and fall. They're nice and cool. Fall is the same way. But in the spring, the coolness increases to warmth. It transforms over into warmth. While in the fall, the coolness transforms into cold. You know? I'm telling you, sometimes you gotta just get out of your house and come out amongst nature. Yeah. Just come outside and just soak up the nature. Recharge your batteries. It's a great way to recharge. Alright, so now we're coming out of that. Now we're entering into the other side of the park. And I'm parked all the way over that side. Beautiful day for walking. Beautiful day. For those watching the video who can't really get outside, you know, this video is for you. You're right here with me walking right now. So back to the seasons thing. So winter is the polar opposite of summer, right? So it's just, if you study all 4 seasons, you see the balance. You know, everything has to have everything has a season. Everything goes through a season. Nothing stays the same. Everything changes. Everything, relationships, whatever you're doing, your life goes through seasons. The trick is to find out what season you're in so you could behave accordingly. If you don't know yourself, then you won't know your personal season. You know, each person have a personal season. It's not necessarily connected with the seasons of your environment, but your life has its own season. Your life experiences has its own season. And if you figure it out, and it repeats itself every time, it goes through a cycle, it repeats itself. It could be every 9 years, but you know, everything has a cycle. You just got to figure it out. You have a time when everything's going good, right? And you feel really nice, feel good, you know? That's your spring, summer season. Man, everything is going really nice. Then you have your time when there's like, things are coming down, like things not working out, you know, you're having some difficulties. You might find where nothing is working out for you. You're not making no progress. You know, you gotta make note of that, because it's gonna always repeat. So when things are not going well, and you know you're in your fall and winter season. Yep. But as for the body, for our physical body, it follows the season of nature. So you're not supposed to be eating foods that are not in season. But your life experience, that operates on a whole different season clock. There's a difference. Hope you understand what I'm saying. I see some guys over here practicing fly fishing. You see that? I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but they're over here practicing how to fly fish. Skateboarding. Some guys over there throwing the fishing line, practicing fly fishing. It's probably a fly fishing class, and there's probably a teacher somewhere. Yep. So that is that. Man, the breeze feels so nice. Wow. Feels really good. So back to the seasons thing. Once you figure out your seasonal pattern, then when times are going well and you know you're in the spring and summer season, you will make sure that you put stuff away for the fall and winter season. You'll make sure you'll prepare for fall, and you don't put all your eggs in one basket. You'll diversify. You'll figure out, you know what? Even though I'm riding high right now, maybe a time when the seasons change, and I might need a backup, or I might need to have. Look at this dragonfly. Yeah, I might need to have a backup to get me through the fall and you might need to harvest when you're in your personal fall season. You may need to start harvesting a lot of the gains that you made in the fall, in the summer. You didn't spend off or waste all your gains, or you made sure you planted something during the good times, the good season, so that you could reap in the summer, and then you can harvest it in the summer, in the fall, when things are going down. You have stuff stored away. This is it, man. Everything is cycle. Everything is cycles. There's the water right here. If you can see it, I'm show you. See it? We'll get a nice closer look. Everything has to obey the laws of cycles. Everything. Nothing escapes. Nothing escapes the laws of cycles. You could be rich and powerful and have all the money in the world. The cycles, you have to go through the cycles. Because say you have all the money. You have all the money in the world, right? And then you may suffer from some type of, it could be loss of loved ones, personal health challenges. Just, no one escapes fall. No one. No one escapes the winter. You can only prepare for it. You prepare for things mentally. And as the Buddhist people say, you form no attachments. Because when you attach yourself to things, that's kind of like you not acknowledging that there's a cycle. Everything changed. Everything changed. So when you create an attachment to, oh man, I really love the summer, and you're so attached, and I'm very attached to the summer, and then when the fall comes, you don't want to let go of the summer and just accept the new change. That's a problem. That throws you into depression, all type of problems, because you can't let go. Letting go is what you're doing right now when you're accepting that fall is here. It's the same thing. Everything else in life is going through the same thing. You have to let go of everything. I want to see it. I want to get over by the water though. You guys need to see it. It's nice. Alright. Catch you on the next scene. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to walk over to the water. They were playing soccer here today. And I didn't want to film little children, so that's what stopped me from going to the water earlier. And now I could go. Walking along the edge here. For those who've watched my videos in the past, you've seen this. You've seen the water. This area that I'm going to take you. I should have brought my microphone so to reduce the wind noise. Oh yeah, it's a nice walk, man. After this, I'm gonna jump into the van. I'm gonna drive over to the handball court. Let's see. Hopefully the tide is not high. I don't think it should be because the full moon is already gone. Yep, it's receding. Sometimes the tide comes all the way. Yeah, sometimes the tide come all the way up here, all the way here. I have a video where the tide came all the way up. Guys, look at this. You got fish in there too? I don't know if you can see them. They see me coming, they're gonna run. Look at them. It's nice. I had to put on my bug spray, guys. They got some serious gnats down here. And when they bite you, you're in trouble. Man, this is nice. Beautiful. Look at all those people who have their homes against the shore. They all got boats down there. This plane right here. Oh yeah. I don't have on the boots I normally wear when I come here. So I have to be careful. But you could tell that the tide was very high and it went down. All this is moist, very wet. To be careful where I'm stepping. Oh shoot. Almost slide. See this? Really wet. That means this morning, the water was all the way here. Man. Coming through here. It's another entrance. See? Everything has a cycle, guys. When there's a full moon, the water levels go up. And as the moon phase changes, you can see the water goes back down. This is called the Sound. Long Island Sound. Down there, that's Long Beach. You want to see how far I could go? Let's see. I'm not so comfortable walking around here right now because, to be honest, it's very freaking slippery. The worst can happen is that I fall down, right? I'm not gonna drown or anything, but it's very slippery. You see all this? Seaweed. Let's see how far I can go. A lot of little birds and stuff. Oh shoot, look, right here. Guys, can't go any further. See right here? With my boots, I'll be able to go further, but kind of stuck right here. The soccer field that we saw is just right behind here. All right, let me take my time and go back. I think there's a lot of birds inside these in these bushes right here. You could hear something. Be very careful. I think the best thing is to walk on the grass, to be honest. The mud. Mud's slippery. So the trick is to walk on the grass. See you see all this? Seaweed. By the way, guys, seaweed is good for you. It has iodine in there. Very good. Yeah, seaweed is a good thing. Alright, so this patch right here, very slippery. So I gotta figure out not walking back in here. I'm not walking here. I'm gonna walk on the grass. So I learned something new. Whenever you on this edge, step on the grass. Yeah, you don't want to walk in the mud. Step on the grass. Alright, now we're back to where we started. Alright, let's go back out. Let's exit this thing. I mean, if you see the sand came all the way up here. What that means is that the water from down there came all the way up here and washed the sand all the way up here. So that's how high the tide gets. Oh yeah. So the game is over. Yeah, when I got out the van earlier, it was all these children, pre-K or whatever, playing soccer. So it kind of blocked me from coming over straight to the water. So I walked all the way over to the other side where I showed you, and then I made a big circle and came back this side. Beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What if I tell you I haven't had my breakfast yet? No. I'm trying to burn. my philosophy is that you should just eat sometimes. I'm not gonna say I do this all the time, but sometimes it's good to just eat when you're hungry. You know, when you feel hungry. I didn't feel hungry, so I didn't eat. Parking lot. I see people bring their dogs over into this place right here. Dog run. See the dog? Big dog, little dog. But they both have teeth, you know? So don't judge a dog by the size. You judge the dog by the sharpness of the teeth. This guy's skateboard. So we came full circle. I'm walking back to my vehicle. And I'm just gonna go play a little, kind of like racquetball. But I use a tennis racket just to get warmed up. Alright, catch you on the next scene, guys. Walking back, I'm driving back to the next side of the park. Yeah. Park the car over here. I already walked over here with you guys earlier. And then now I'm on the other side. Alright, catch you on the next scene. Oh yeah. So I'm approaching the court. So show you what I'm filming. People studying. Courts are empty. Tennis court, but I'm going over there. Alright, catch you on the next scene. Yep, I'm here. Entering into the courts. Should I be on this? Should I stay on this side or should I go on the other side? Only thing I don't like sometimes, they got some little gnats that's over here and you're playing and then they just buzz around you while you're playing because you know the water is close by. So hopefully I'll get a break. Yeah, this is nice. It's a nice place to film. Alrighty, catch you on the next scene, guys. Okay guys, I'm done. Done playing, warming up and playing my hitting the ball against the wall. I'm heading home now. That is it. I had a good time. Yep. I had a good time. This was nice. And so now I'm gonna go home. I gotta get something to eat. Yep. Can't push it too much, you know? You have to know your limit. Then after that, build back up and see what's gonna happen for the rest of the day. Alright? Catch you on the next scene.